a lovely day outside. Good morning, my fans. Welcome to my channel. My name is Bean Sonia Williams, otherwise called Hey Son. If you are new here, welcome. Thanks a lot. And those of you already subscribed, thanks a lot. Road to 1K subscribers. So today, guys, I am getting ready to go and make some boba tea. I don't know if you ever heard about boba tea, but boba tea is this popular high-end tea that you can get in the mall for a lot of money. My daughter, she is so crazy about this drink. I watched her spending $6, $7, $8, $9 for 1 6-ounce cup of this tea. And I'm like, wow. So I'm going to show her that she don't have to spend all that money. She can make it all by herself, guys. So this drink is, I think this is coming out of China. It's Asian, right? So these are the pearls, these are the black pearls. I think that's what the hype is all about. So today in my kitchen, I will be making those boba drink using carrot. I'm gonna put my Jamaican spin on it. I'll be using carrot, beetroot. I'll be using turmeric, ginger, and all those good things. Let's see what happened. Come with me to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to put my little spin on it. So I bought my tapioca pearls on Amazon. I paid like, call it $9 on Amazon, and I got 2 package into the for $8. So let's see what happened. The kitchen, being in the kitchen is all about creativity, and you never know. So like I said, I'm putting my own little spin on it. So as you can see over here, my water is over here. We will be cooking our boba pearls, and this is what they're looking like so far. I'll be using like the whole pack because I will be making 4 different flavors. So in with my pearls. So 1 pack. It has a white color, but after boiling, now it's becoming black. So we're going to boil this for 5 minutes. So this is what they're looking like, guys. So I'm running some cold water on my pearls to stop the cooking process. And now they are so nice and pretty. Take a look. So my first drink up is my carrot and my beetroot boba drink. So in my little bullet here, so that's my carrot. Now I'm adding my beetroot. Some almond milk. And now I'm ready to blend. now I'm gonna go ahead and strain my beetroot and carrot, guys. This is optional. You don't have to strain it. You can just go ahead and drink it like that. But I need that smoothness. So now my drink is ready. This is my glass over here that I will be using. I'm going to put some of my bubble pearls inside. And this is it, guys. I'm putting like two tablespoons. There you go. Now I'm adding some crushed ice. Now I'm adding my drink. Beautiful carrot and beetroot drink. And there you have it, guys. Also gonna go ahead and add some, just a little bit of condensed milk. Just like this. So condensed milk is just for taste, guys. This is like my sweetener. And there you have it, guys. Next up is my avocado spinach. So I have one avocado here. I'm just gonna put it in my blender, just like that. All you gotta do is cut in your avocado and just take it off the seed, and you just peel it, drop it in your blender, and you are good to go. Here is my spinach, organic, and in the blender it goes. Now for my milk. So I have some almond milk here. Guys, you can use any milk of your choice. Any milk of your choice. So I'm gonna add just like that, just above my ingredients. And now for blending. And here we go, guys, we are blending. Gonna put some ice.
And now for my rich avocado spinach drink. Nice and rich. I'm gonna go ahead and add some sweetener. So I'm using some agave. So I'm using some agave. And now it's time to mix. So this is it, guys. As you can see, look how nice that is looking. That's your avocado. See how rich that is? So you can drink as is, but you can go ahead and sweeten it, guys, because this is pretty much, avocado is not sweet, spinach is not sweet. So if you like sweet, add your sweetener of choice. And see how pretty and nice this is? So this is my strawberry. I have like half a cup of strawberries, half of a banana, and now I'm getting ready to make my strawberry banana boba drink. So half of a banana in my blender, my strawberries. On a serious note, guys, these strawberries are very sweet, organic. And I'm gonna add some almond milk. Also gonna tip a little bit of vanilla, a little, just a little splash of vanilla. And let's blend. So now I'm adding my pearls, just like that. Some ice. And now my banana strawberry almond milk drink. And there you have it, guys. That's your nice bobo drink or bobo tea. So this is it, guys. The strawberry banana bobo drink. So for this drink, I have to do some brewing. I will be making ginger turmeric and mango drink. So first of all, I have to brew my tea bag, which is right here. This is a turmeric ginger tea bag, organic. And here I am with some hot water. And I'm just going to pour it on my tea bag and allow it to sit for at least 5 minutes. And that's what we will be using to make this drink. This is what the box is looking like, guys. I bought this at Trader Joe, and it is organic ginger turmeric herbal tea, caffeine free. So after 5 minutes brewing my tea bag, my ginger tea bag, I'm now ready to blend. Half a mango here in my blender, and this is my brewed ginger and turmeric tea. So here we go. Now I'm ready to blend. So let's start off with my pearls. And my nice turmeric ginger mango juice. How nice that is looking. Guys, you're not gonna believe this mango kind of just set it off. Give it a very unique taste, guys. Remember, this is me just in my kitchen creating. You can do whatever you want with yours. Just be very creative, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my agave syrup. Not too much, but it's best to drink all these creations without sugar. So look at it, guys. How pretty that is. The pearl. Look at the pearls at the bottom. This is your turmeric ginger mango boba drink. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Payson, otherwise called Bean Sonia Williams. Thanks for coming. Those of you already subscribed, thanks a lot. Road to 1K subscribers. Look how beautiful that is looking, guys. Be creative in your kitchen, guys. Try some of these. It's best to drink without sugar, but if you need to, if you need that sweetener, you can